Integration of Web3 games. In time, we saw solutions that bridge the gap between Web 2 and Web3 gaming, given the continuous popularity of online gaming. This is mostly accomplished through APIs that connect established game development platforms with blockchains to facilitate production. However, some service providers are going above and above. Anchor, a decentralized infrastructure provider for Web3 developers, organizations, and stakeholders, has released its own blockchain gaming software development kit, SDK. The Anchor blockchain SDKs enable developers to create applications using the Unity and Unreal engines. This is a dream come true for many devoted developers who can build on familiar technologies and quickly make games Web3 compliant. There are several advantages to this, including the ease of integration of crypto wallets, non-fungible tokens, decentralized markets, multi-chain interoperability, mobile optimization, and alternative funding via tokenization. Anchor is also encouraging the use of subnets, which enable developers to create their own games on their own subchain. This feature is anticipated to become more significant as the Web3 gaming environment evolves and matures, since it provides several advantages such as efficiency, scalability, and personalization. Web3 gaming's future is expected to include customized blockchains tailored for a certain game. These are known as subnets or application-specific blockchains, ASBs. Contact Ixiono for guidance.